Max is hungry. It is lunchtime. He goes to the kitchen. He opens the fridge. I want my sandwich, says Max. Max made a sandwich this morning. It has cheese, tomato, and lettuce. He looks inside the fridge. The sandwich is not there. Oh no. Where's my sandwich? Max looks around. He sees his little sister, Mia. She is sitting on the floor with her doll. Mia, did you see my sandwich? No, I didn't. I'm playing with my doll. Max goes to the living room. His dog, Bingo, is on the sofa. Bingo, did you eat my sandwich? Bingo barks. Woof. He licks his lips. You look happy. Did you eat it? Max looks at the sofa. He sees something. It's a piece of lettuce. Bingo, you ate my sandwich. Bingo wags his tail. Max is not angry. He laughs. Oh, Bingo, you are a naughty dog. Max goes back to the kitchen. He is still hungry. I will make a new sandwich, he says. He gets bread, cheese, tomato, and lettuce. But now he hears a sound. It's Mia. She is eating something. Mia, what are you eating? A sandwich. Max looks. It's his sandwich. Mia, that's my sandwich. Mia smiles. It's yummy. Do you want a bite? Max laughs again. Yes, please, he says. Let's share it. Mia gives Max half the sandwich. Max and Mia sit on the floor. Bingo sits with them. You are a funny dog. And you are a hungry brother. Everyone laughs.